Hi everyone, I just made these a couple of days ago. It's a landscaping rake. It's nearly for free. Here in the UK, this landscaping rake around 140-160 pound. If you don't want to spend this money, you can make one of these. You just need wood. This was an old bed frame. It's a hardwood. I made this table, so as you see, so I cut 4 centimeters slice. After I used sandpaper to rounded the side. It's very important. After screwed it, I used glue as well. Stick wood adhesive from B&Q, around 12 pound. After, you need a piece of metal to the middle which will hold the handle. Just cut here and here, and you will have an L shape. Use a bolt here, a piece of metal bar. I drilled a hole to hold the handle, and that's it. And if you want, after, you can paint it. The size, this is 1 meter, this is 40 centimeters, the distance it's 8 centimeters, so it's easy and nearly for free. I think the handle was from the Wix around £3. I hope it's helpful for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.